issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Cook County in northeast Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 8:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lincoln Park and moving south-southeast to 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Navy Pier, Chicago, Northerly Island, Douglas Park and Hyde Park. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Lincoln Park Zoo, Soldier Field, Museum Campus, McCormick Place in Northerly Island, The Loop, University of Chicago, Museum of Science and Industry, University of Illinois Chicago, a cellular field, Illinois Institute of Technology. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.